There we go. A fantastic, creamy tartar sauce. How easy is that? Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making a creamy tartar sauce. Very easy, very bog standard. Yes, I know you can buy it in the jar, but most people don't know how to put it together. And fresh tartar sauce, really good. Let's make it, come on. In here, that is mayonnaise. I've got mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon, capers, some little dill things. I've got fresh dill, onion, salt and pepper. Very straightforward. Let's throw it together, come on. Onion, we want a little bit of fine onion. And it is only a little bit. We don't want much. In fact, actually, you can put as much in as you want. I'm going to do all of this. So there you go. We got some fine onion. You know, you can go as fine as you want. You can really go spend ages doing it. But we're making a quick tartar sauce. Very nice. There's our onion. Okay, we got some little pickles here. Again, we want some little bits of pickle, but you know, you can fine dice it, leave chunks in, do what you want, to be quite honest. Well, a couple of tablespoons of this actually. So like I say, you can go as big as small as you like, give it a mash in, do whatever. You know, I like seeing everything in the ingredients. You've got it as fine or as big as you like, all in that bowl. We got some fresh capers. Exactly the same on the capers. We want a bit of a mashing, and then we're going to do that. Now, I'm not going so small with the capers. Again, I like to see everything in there. Fresh dill. Screw it all up and off we go. Oh, I love that smell of fresh dill. So there's our mayonnaise in there. Might as well go straight in there with that dill. Now there is absolutely no order to this. Just chuck it in. Okay, in there with that little bit of onion, or you can use shallot if you're posh. In there with our capers. In there with our pickle. In there, I'm using white pepper. Now you can use black pepper, and a lot of people do. I want the pepper in there that you don't see it. Come on. A good mix up in there. In there, teaspoon Dijon. And we want a little squirt of lemon. Of course we do. We need to freshen the thing up. So in there with some lemon. Give that a little stir through. Now once you've got it all stirred up, that's it basically. Taste test. Done. That is a very nice creamy tartar sauce made at home, 5 minutes. There you go. That's all lovely ingredients in there. Quite a lot in there. Right, you want to cover that, you want to stick it in the fridge, goes in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Get all the flavours meld together. Lasts a couple of days, so you can just put it in a jar. As long as you're going to use it up. There you go. Tartar sauce. Now some people are going to say, why didn't you put salt in? It's salty enough. Okay, I've got sea salt here, look, and I was going to put a little bit in, you know. Go on then, we'll do that. But it is salty enough from the capers and everything. There you go. We've done it. That is beautiful. There you go, tartar sauce. There we go. A fantastic, creamy tartar sauce. How easy is that? So there you go, tartar sauce made. It doesn't get any easier than that. If you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel or ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.